So you want to start a new channel and you don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to help you. Best way to get started is to start recording immediately. Record every single little thing you do, whether you're by yourself or you're with a client. Now, this is in any part of the fitness industry. What you want to do is, you recording yourself, you want to get a snippet of all the little baby workouts that you do. And the trick is, if you're working with their clients, then you want to have that side of you showing them how to do the exercise. Then what you also want to do is a little tip. You want to get the background conversation that you have with your clients. Those are gems. A lot of people don't really appreciate or really understand how important the little conversations we have with our clients, explaining to them why they do this certain movement and the benefits are to having that on camera. So start recording every little thing. I'm going to put in the description my Amazon link to give you the little gadgets I have to where you can record by yourself without having anybody there, because that was my big hiccup. I wanted to get a lot of footage, but I always relied on a lot of people. So I started getting gadgets to start recording myself. Little magnets, little stabilizers that follow me all over the place. And it took my game to a whole nother level because I didn't have to rely on nobody. So what you want to do is get a ton of clips, right? They don't have to be long. They can be of you doing a rep for 3 to 4 reps and you explaining the benefits of the workout. And how you do that is you can write down topics, okay, say for best 3 ab exercises for beginners, best 3, how to do a starter push-up, how to do inverted push-ups, how to do a regular push-up, how to do a plyo push-up, how to do Spider-Man push-ups, how to do reverse planks, and you can write all of that down. And no matter what field you're in, just write down the titles as you're thinking about it. Because now, since you started wanting to do a channel, your brain is going to be moving. So you always want to have your notes ready in your phone, writing down the titles. The easiest way is to actually go to somebody's page you look up to and see the titles that they use, and then do them yourself. Your own version of it. Don't copy. Do your own version. So how I started, I knew I was going to start my channel, so I started recording. As I was getting all of the footage, I already had the titles written down. So I will just get all the footage that matched the title that I wanted to do, and then boom, collabed it together, and then there you go, you have it, right? So the strategy I'm telling you now is how you come out the gate hot. Because if you record a lot of content straight out the gate, your sole purpose will be to put all of the content together that you already have and then post it. You can post it as a short now that will go straight to the long video, which will bring even more traffic. So say if you do best way to get tone arms video, right? So you have a full video of that. Each workout you do for the tone video, you can make as a short going straight back to the long video. Not only would you get credit for the short, but also you get credit for the long video, which you get traffic for both, which will be great. After you get monetized, then you'll be able to make more money like that. So when I started off my fitness channel, Instagram Reels just came out. So I was still doing Facebook posts, and then I was doing Instagram Reels to try to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. But now you can do everything from the YouTube channel. You can do the long video, like I said, and then you can create the shorts based upon the clips that you already had that you accumulated to make the long video. You can put each of those into baby shorts that go into the long video. That's how you would do that. All right. So it made it that much easy. Now, once you hit 500 subscribers, a little trick I'm gonna give you to make more money once you get 500 subscribers and then reach your plateau of your hours. Then you can start tagging products that you've used in your videos or that you really like that will help your client or help the potential subscriber reach the goal. You can go to products, search up your products, tag each product, and it'll tell you the little commission that you can get from each of the products, and then it goes straight back to you. And that's a good way to do it too. You can also sign up for Amazon influencer and create your own shop, so you'll be hitting both at one time. But that's the best advice I can give you right now is just start recording everything. You start recording yourself, start recording your classes. If you're doing classes, start recording you and the client so you can get the little gems. And then, write down your titles. And then in a matter of time, you'll have a phone full of material. All you have to do is figure out the title that you want, best arms. Look at your video, see all the arm workouts that you have, and then put those to that. You make the video, you have it, upload it, boom. Then you create the shorts, each short, like arm videos, like you do curls, and then you do Supermans, and then you do drag pull curls. That's the 3 different workouts in that same video that can go back to the long video. So that's how you would do that. And then in just a matter of time, as you will keep going along, you will figure out better ways or more workouts for that same specific body part. And then you can come up with another arm workout the next month. But it's so many different videos you can do for arms alone that you'll find yourself coming up with better and new ideas as you're getting going. But to save yourself a lot of drama, just start recording now. And I'm telling you, I had years of footage before I started my YouTube channel, but you don't need that. Now, the tools to help you drag back to the long form is better. So what you do is just start recording and then write the heading, write the titles down, match your footage to the titles you have written down, upload shorts, booyah, share to your Facebook, share to X, Twitter, share to Threads, share to any Facebook group. Now we have community posts, so you can actually share the long form video to the community post and letting people know that you have a new video out. Booyah. And there you go. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to give you a bonus and show you how to go viral. I have over 70 videos that have hit 1 million plus views. Over 70. Now, I may have over 80 now. So I'm going to show you how to go viral using the same strategies that I have used on my Instagram and on my Facebook to go viral. Now my YouTube has some viral shorts as well. So these are the bonus tips that I want to give you in this video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me below. Here's one tip to going viral. One thing you must remember is that you have to strike on a person's emotions. Whether it's a happy memory, something that takes them back to their childhood, or a moment in time, something that makes them remember a special moment in their life, or something that gets under their skin to where they feel like they have to engage in your content. You could have some of the best content that you feel that you could put out, but if you're not striking on someone's emotions, you're not going to get the engagement. And once you be able to use a certain moment in their life, or music that strikes the heart, or a topic that they can resonate with, then that's when they can comment, like, and share. So stay tuned for more. Another way you can go viral is to solve a problem, which is another way of saying hack video, or another way of saying tips and tricks video. But solve someone's problem that they have, because they're going to go to YouTube, or they're going to go to Google or whatever and say, how can I fix, or how do I do, or what's the best ways? Be the person that they can go to for answers. You can specialize in one thing, one field, like iPhones, or video games, or a specific video game, or that's out at the time, or really popular video game, kitchen appliances, food, but be the person that they can go to where they can get the tips and tricks from, and the hacks of how to be effective in that area. So be the go-to person for that. Top ways to go viral. It's just gonna be hard for a lot of people, because a lot of people don't know how to do it. Is be original. Be the person that they can go to for that specific type of content, whether it's comedy, whether it's tips and tricks, whether it's sports related, whether it's journalism, whether it's day in the life, anything. It has to be your own touch on it. I went viral by me doing me having my own touch and feel to that content. So when people come to my page, they like what I do with my videos. So then they send me videos for me to do. So be consistent is one, and be original. It's going to take longer to go viral, but it's worth it. All right, guys, another viral tip. If you want to use trending audio, click on the audio and see if it has your niche in it. You don't want to be using a trending audio that has a niche that's for something like way off of what you're doing. So if you see someone in your field using a trending audio, use it. You can also take an audio. I've seen people use an audio they really like, that really goes with their niche, and they just do it a bunch of times. That's another way to go viral with a trending audio. But you don't want to get caught up in using the trending audio that is going to have you doing things that has nothing to do with your niche. You want to stick to a trending audio that you like, that resonates with you, and go from there. All right, guys, last and final tip and clue for going viral. I can give you all the tips in the world, but if you're not prepared for what's about to come, then it's not going to matter. Like, I've been viral, mega viral. Mega viral to me is over 1 million views. So my first mega viral video was last October. So I've generated over 70 mega viral videos, and people love them. People love them. People laugh. People send me all. I have my DMs is crazy with videos where people asking me to react to them and put my own touches on them. I have professional fighters, athletes, promoters, trainers, all hitting me up to do videos. So everybody's having a good time in my videos. But what you don't know is it's so many haters. And you have to be prepared for the haters, because everybody be having a great time in the comments, and then you just get the random people that make it about race, that do racial jokes, that say stuff like, I don't see what's funny, nothing's funny about this, or you're not funny, or this video is whack, or it's just like, all I do is picture them being at home, frowned up at the phone, and I just be looking like, something's wrong with you. And that's why you have to look at them, because anybody that has something actually going on with their life and that's actually happy, don't have the time to actually text negative things in people's comments unless it's something that's really, really bad that they're posting about, and you want to post your opinion. But if you post it, but if everybody and their mama having a great time in the comments in this actual funny video, they're having a good time, and then you're the only person in there frowned up and mad, it's something wrong. It's some people gonna find a way to make something bad out of everything, and you just have to do what I do. Hold the comment, press block profile, and all the new accounts they create, boom, they're done. That's it. It may varies from different ways between the different platforms, but that's it. It's normally about 3 clicks. Get them out of there, because you don't even want the people that's having a good time on your account to see that. I know I don't. I don't want to go back to my comments and then see it again. So, you don't like my content? Okay, you won't see my page no more. It's just as simple as that. Get rid of the negative. You don't have to see it. People tell me, "Oh, don't worry." No, if I see it, because I'm on my phone all the time, doing content and doing different things like that. So if I see it, you're getting blocked. Like, you're just hating for no reason. Opinions is one thing. Because you gotta have an opinion about a fighter, you got an opinion about a person, that's one thing. But when you just completely just straight up hating, or you racist, or you just saying something super negative, you gotta go. So just be prepared for the haters. Be prepared for the people that's just mad about life, that wants to just be a bully or take their anger out or take their sorrows out on somebody else. You have to be prepared for that, because if you're not, you're going to be really, really upset with a lot of people, with a lot of comments. Just do what I do. Hit them 3 clicks, delete the comment, erase them, and focus on the people that's smiling and laughing at your videos. You could do that. You'll have a great viral videos, long-lasting career as a content creator.